Ways to avoid pneumonia in adults. Avoiding pneumonia in adults and seniors is an important prerequisite for good health and well-being, whatever your circumstances. Pneumonia, a serious lung infection, is one of the most common illnesses in older adults. It's caused by viruses or bacteria and leads to respiratory problems, fever, and even death. However, there are a number of simple steps you can take to make it less likely that you get the disease. Avoid contacts with a sick person. As you age, your immune system becomes less capable of fighting off diseases, so avoiding contact with people with infections makes sense. This means avoiding crowded locations with poor ventilation, for instance. If you have flu or a lung infection, keep away from loved ones recovering from surgery or a serious illness. To avoid pneumonia in adults, carers should be on the lookout for people with respiratory infections. Keep them away from someone at risk of developing pneumonia. Stop smoking. Smoking makes it harder for your lungs to ward off infections and is a significant risk factor for pneumonia. Furthermore, caregivers should avoid smoking near adults who may be prone to catching pneumonia. It's even better for everyone's health if caregivers are non-smokers. Older adults are also well advised to avoid busy, traffic-filled streets and their polluted air. So, spending time in gardens and greenery can be beneficial for lung health. Wash hands regularly. One thing you can do to promote good habits for disease resistance is to regularly wash your hands with soap. Hands are a major carrier of disease-causing germs, so washing them with soap at critical times helps you avoid pneumonia. Studies suggest that this practice can reduce your chances of contracting respiratory infections like pneumonia by 25%. Regular hand washing is part of good hygiene and helps adults to avoid pneumonia. It can also reduce the risk of you developing or transmitting respiratory infections and viruses to others. Dental hygiene. Good dental hygiene is a top tip for preventing pneumonia in older adults. Oral infections can cause respiratory infections, as well as pneumonia. To avoid pneumonia, adults and seniors should brush their teeth every day and, if applicable, have a good denture cleaning routine. Exercise. Exercise routines, preferably supervised to stay safe, strengthen muscles, lungs and the flow of oxygen around the body. They keep the immune system strong, which is vital for good overall health and for fighting infections. In addition, staying active and getting plenty of physical exercise will help your body ward off invaders. Having a laugh in a convivial setting while exercising or doing activities is even better for your physical and emotional health. Eat healthy. A healthy diet, with plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables, is vital for adults to avoid pneumonia. A diet containing vitamin C, vitamin B6, and vitamin E helps boost the immune system. A healthy diet, without excess alcohol, also helps you get a good night's sleep, which is important for your overall health. What Fairview has to offer. Fairview Rehab and Nursing Home in Queens, NY, provides top-quality care and rehab for people recovering from surgery or illnesses. Our skilled doctors advise on medication and a good care. We have an excellent reputation for cleanliness and good hygiene practices. Our facilities, dining areas and restrooms are kept spotlessly clean, which helps prevent the likelihood of someone catching pneumonia. Contact us to ask about our services and care for adults with serious medical conditions such as pneumonia. Let us also help you avoid them.